Today's phrase, let's circle back on this. This phrase is useful for suggesting that a topic or issue should be revisited later. It conveys a sense of collaboration and ensures that important matters are not forgotten. During a meeting, I think we need more data before making a decision. Let's circle back on this next week after we've gathered the necessary information. In an email. Thanks for your input on the proposal. Let's circle back on this after the client meeting to finalize our approach. When managing a project, we're still waiting on feedback from the design team. Let's circle back on this once we have their input. In a discussion with a colleague, I understand your concerns about the budget. Let's circle back on this once we've reviewed all the financial reports. When prioritizing tasks, this issue isn't urgent right now. Let's circle back on this after we've completed the current priorities.